What's up, Damon? What's up, Daz? What's up, Eagman? All right, we're on NASDAQ daily chart. What's up, Manny? Actually, before we start commentating, let's wait for more people to join. You want to change the title? Cool. All right, let me announce the live in the Discord. By the way, if you're not in the Discord, it's completely free. A lot of cool free resources for you guys there. What's up, Toxic? Yep, I'm gonna be closing chat in about 5 minutes. What's up, TikTok? What's your bias? Bias, bullish, bullish, bullish all week. If you're in the Discord, listen, you guys are gonna have to get used to me not reading chat. So join the Discord because that's where I'm gonna be posting all my stuff. I'm still gonna commentate while I trade, but like these little questions in between, I'm not gonna be able to answer them until after the stream or after I'm done trading. So right now I have on the daily chart, I have all-time highs marked up. What's up? What's up, Toxic? Okay, so talk about an order block. For me to teach you an order block, you need to understand, so this is a bullish order block. And I'll explain to you why. These three candles, maybe the 30 minutes a little cleaner. Yeah, so 30 minutes. So these two candles right here on the 30-minute time frame, they swept liquidity. And we are bullish. So these two candles, the fact that they are the last two candles before they move higher, because they're the ones that swept liquidity in a bullish market, they're also in discount. So as soon as we come back above it, notice we have a fair value gap aligning with it. This is your bullish order block, these two candles. Your bullish order block is formed after the change in the state of delivery, right? So that's as good as I can give you right now. So if you guys want my bias, my charts, everything, these little questions, you gotta find those in the free Discord. What's up, Dragon? Missed you, brother. What's up, Zyke? Missed you too, man. Manny, Chooch, brother Chooch. What's up, Sim? For anyone in chat, by the way, who's gonna stay here and be active, I would appreciate you if new people join and they start asking questions like, "Why didn't you read my comment?" or whatever. Just let them know that I'm not reading chat. I'm gonna try to mimic as if I'm not trading live. Appreciate you, Dollar. I want to mimic that I'm not. I want to mimic. You know what? You guys get what I'm saying, right? I'm trying to mimic like as if I'm not live at all. If you pay me, I'll do it. You're not that important, bro. And to be honest, I was more talking about YouTube chat, TikTok, and yo, bro, what are you saying? How's your weekend? Weekend was great, bro. How do you see the new day opening gap? Best way is to go to the 1 minute charts and scroll all the way back to 18 o'clock. That's the best way because you will see the visual gap. So let's go back to 18 o'clock. And I was going to mark this. So let's go back to 18. It's right here. So you have to mark out the close at 16:59. Oh, in this case, it's going to be 12:59 because that was the early close, right? We closed right here. We closed 12:59 yesterday. We closed at 1. Remember, we closed right at this level. And we opened again the next day right down here. So this is your new day opening gap where we closed and opened. Good luck today in the market. I'll be back in the day. Appreciate you. Well, so when he says people could be in line with CISD, TV, no B. Got it. Yep, CISD is what forms the order block. Are you trading Top Step? I will be trading my Top Step accounts. Simp, you're good, bro. Simp, you're good. You're good. I'm just joking too, man. It's never serious. Cool. People are joining now because they're gonna be over 120 points today. Top Step. This is new day opening gap. The 120.1, you're referring to opening range gap. It's a different gap. There's new day opening gap in electronic trading hours, but then there's also the regular trading hours gap. So in regular trading hours, we close right here. Two different gaps. This is your opening range gap right here. We closed right here. It's at 22214. In approximately 9 minutes, we are going to open up. We are going to open up at around 22307. So look at your org. The opening range gap lows all the way down here. We're about to have a around 100-point gap. What's your SMT in the daily for yesterday and today? Was there? There was an SMT yesterday, just got broken recently today, if that's what you're asking me. Okay. And then let me take a bite out of my sandwich, bro. Damn, I compressed the shit out of the sandwich. What link are you using? It shouldn't be expired. I think you just have to copy paste it into the browser. Yeah, all-time high was, listen guys, as much as I love you guys, I literally post everything beforehand. Bullish on the week, 2 all-time highs. Is that all I said? I thought I would have said more, to be honest. I guess that's all I said. I thought I would have talked about it. I'm going to be bullish every single day until I see something that either tells me we're going to go to this daily busy or that, but just because I'm bullish doesn't mean we can't short, but ideally we're taking longs. EU longs? Okay, we can look at EU longs. Oh yeah, I actually had an alert here, and it's SMT with GBP. Yeah, I would look for EU longs. Try to see if DXY aligns. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, I'm gonna minimize the chat now. Which broker using? I'll be using Top Step. I got apple juice. Egg sandwich. I'm gonna minimize the chat now. I'll open up my accounts. You're officially locked in, so show you blood. All right, I'm gonna minimize the chat. So yeah, my cheese is hella cheesy. All-time highs is the objective. We are almost there. I actually do want to check something in the video ad because this is significant. Because I might have to close my position if it actually made a difference. Oh shit, plus $2.50. Oh shit, AMB's up too. Alright, holy shit, we are up good on the video, guys. I'm straight up with you guys. Alright, anyways. Crazy candle. So ideally we are looking for longs. I'm gonna scan the 4 hour. Yeah, we have a small 4 hour bullish for value gap right there. Hourly. Besides this propulsion block, I don't really see much too clean. It's old order block. 30-minute. I'm just scanning. Honestly, I don't really need to scan. Just go to the 15 usually. I want to see. All I'm going to say is if we can take these lows, that would be an amazing long candidate. So I'll definitely keep an eye out on these lows. The reason I say these lows specifically because there's a 15-minute bullish right here. It'll be discount on the day. It'll also overlap with opening range gap. So I would love for and we left equal highs on Nas. That's really beautiful, man. And it's London Hive day. Yeah, let's just. Ideally, we do take these lows, but I also wouldn't mind if we just came into this 15-minute imbalance. If we just came into this 15-minute imbalance, that's also fine. I mean, we can long off either. If we're really bullish, we won't take those lows, but I would prefer us take those lows. The best setup will be if we take those lows. So besides these two levels, I don't really have much else to mark out. We don't have the new day opening gap. If we want to explore all the way down into Asia lows, I wouldn't want to see that. But if we do, that's okay. Obviously, you have your opening range gap that's about to form in 3 minutes. So we don't even have to mark out the 15-minute fair value gap. We can just mark out this. So yeah, definitely want to see price come down here. And I actually wouldn't mind shorting to it. So if we do get something like, if we get some sort of setup like this, and then an inversion that allows us to short it, I will, but I mean, I don't think we're gonna get the setup. So I wouldn't do that for the alternate sell side in case we do reject off the 15. But we'll just go with that. We'll just see. We have 3 minutes until open. Let me put an array here. We're in discount now. We actually dumped to right to that sell side, so. Ideally, this would have happened at 9:30. Crazy candlesticks. Did they decide when Trump's going to speak or? No, 9 p.m. So seems like he'll speak after market. Should be fine. I wonder how many people are in here. I'm not gonna check. I'm not gonna open chat. The only time I'm gonna have to open chat is if I have to start recording. To be fair, YouTube chat's pretty chill. Okay. A very strong displacement, so we might have to be patient in this opening range. Wait for 10 a.m. Because we see something like this. I'm not gonna abandon my bias just because we displaced lower, but we're obviously gonna have to displace higher or see something. Obviously, we could explore new day opening gap. We'll also mark out the regular trading hours gap or the opening range gap. So we'll see. We will have a gap form in 4 seconds. You will see the opening range gap. It'll be small now, though. Unfortunately, it would have been a nice gap that we could have played off of. So we closed right here. We opened right there. That is your opening range gap. Look at that 50% level. That 50% level overlaps with the new day opening gap very nicely. So I think we can get down. Well, we're just going, bro. We are just going. I'm gonna remove the end dog markings. It's getting a little bit messy. Wow, and we just hit that level immediately. Kind of crazy. At this point, yeah, I'm looking at Asia low. Looks like we're gonna make a new low of day. We're gonna have to wait. I mean, I'm not gonna short this. Not yet. Nothing's telling me to short this yet. So I'm just gonna have to be patient here. That's all it is. You know, nothing wrong with waiting till 10. Nothing wrong. Nothing's ever wrong with waiting till 10. You can't go wrong. You will most likely find something. Asia lows are still open. We do have an SMT at Asia lows right now. Let me remove these boxes, man. They're annoying me. There you go. It's way better. We are in deep discount, so. A nice candle, but this could be your low. I say that because if you look at my right chart, ES could potentially form a CISD here. So that would be the candidate for longs, actually. I don't know if that's enough for me, though. I'd have to probably wait for a fair value gap or something. I like waiting for a fair value gap to form. I don't have to actually trade it. But when a fair value gap forms, that's a really good sign that you're in the right direction. We did not get the CISD there. I'm trying to remove this new day. There you go. There's nothing really here that can convince me. The 15-minute, I guess. Yeah, we're in long territory. Let me mark out this 15-minute. Seems like because that's the most discount PD array. I mean, obviously there's a 15-minute here in the low that we swept. If we get a bullish fair value gap here, I'm gonna switch to the micro. ES has not given us the CISD, so it's not a long candidate just yet. Look at ES, it's slow. So I'm gonna be a little patient here. This could just be Nasdaq volatility. I don't need a CISD, but I need some confirmation that this is gonna reverse. Hmm. 30-minute there is a lot nicer. 4-hour, I'm just scanning here. We did touch that small 4-hour imbalance, which is all the way up there. So a displacement higher here could be very high probability just because of that 4-hour. Like your low of day might be protected in pre-market Asia. We'll see. So far, order flow still bearish, so maybe we can get a breaker here, high, low. If we can put in this swing low, or even if we got something like this inside the 950 macro hour, that would be that's probably the best way this could form. It would have to form soon though. Haven't considered flipping my bias. Right now I'm just watching this low. See if we're gonna take it or not. I prefer this. If we get something like this, leaving this low, sweeping this one, then we get breaker mitigation, like SMT here. That would be the most ideal. I would long that. I'm like really tempted to see what chat's saying, but I have to pretend no one's watching me. I was like, what if like there's 5 people watching? What if I'm live for no reason? I want to see an SMT form here. This cheese is so bad, but I'm literally only eating it because I need calories. Come on. Get lower. Okay, there. If we can stop right here, that'd be beautiful. We don't have to, but flip. I'll long anything above this level. Part of me wants to just click buy now and turtle soup it, but let's not get too antsy. Not get too antsy. One minute candle that flipped from bullish to bearish is not enough of a confirmation right now. We could easily come up with the high and then, so let's be a little more patient. Part of me does want to just click buy though, I'm being honest. But I'm not going to. Just gonna wait for an A+ setup. I'd want to see us find support at 50% of this wick. That's what I'm looking at right now. So, let me do it like this. I want to see us find support at 50% of that wick, or at least the upper portion of it. That would be a good sign that we are not going to take this low. Make this another color. I want to see us support this wick. You know what? I think I like the 50% more. So right now what I'm looking for is, do we get a CISD or do we get a breaker? Even just a bullish fair value gap. Realistically, any sort of displacement higher is what I'm looking for. We are a little bit out of time, right? Where the macro starts in 5 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. But if we can frame a reversal here, that'd be nice. Going sideways, There's no signs of going higher yet, besides the S&T. Currently, we are finding support at this wick, but we're not moving higher. Okay, there is some displacement. I will probably long this CISD without hesitation. I want to see it expand though. I also kind of want to see a fair value gap form. Your fair value gap, like your signature that it's not really going to go sideways. You know, you got to remember at any point in your trading that the market could literally just go sideways. And you don't want to be the guy who enters in a sideways market. Emotions get messed up. You make bad decisions. I know I do. Most of my losses are markets that just go sideways, especially in like the last 100 trades. I say at least about half of them were just I entered and it just went sideways. And then I either managed incorrectly or just got impatient and did something stupid. So same wick on ES. And Q's the more bullish asset right now. I really just want to see a market structure shift, changing the state, a breaker, a bullish fair value gap, and literally anything. Right now we're just going sideways. So I like that we're finding support at the discount array, but could just be a time distortion thing. We could just be waiting for the macro or 945 being the new 15-minute candle open. This right here is a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. The reason I wanted it to, well, this is the where things get difficult in my opinion. I wanted it to expand before this 15-minute bearish fair value gap was a threat. Let's say a threat. The reason I say that is because now when we go long in the next 3 minutes, let's say if we go long, we're going to have to long into this 15-minute bearish, which just makes the trade a little bit less high probable. But kind of have to trust your high time frame bias. If we get a nice wick here and some nice displacement on the lower time frame, maybe we could trust a run into this. And we could always keep it, you know, what's it called? Less risky or manage our position. But it looks like if we're gonna go long, it's gonna be into a 15-minute bearish. It's terrible. It's truly terrible. But for anyone who trades my power of 3, I'll show you how you can use it with the next 15-minute candle. Usually I don't go below 15 minutes. But I will show you what exactly I would look for on the next 15-minute candle. This is the kind of stuff like I don't mark out. I just kind of see it visually and I use it in Confluence. Which is part of the reason I don't like to stream. Because sometimes I see things and I don't necessarily mark them out. I just know that they're a Confluence. But I know others did not see it. I wonder what if like my audio is not good? I at least need to find out if my audio is good. So this candle, oh sorry, one more minute. I'm gonna check the chat. Is my audio good, bro? Is my audio good, chat? We have 150 people watching me on TikTok. Respect, bro. Audio's good. Audio's solid. Okay, appreciate you guys. Damn, I did not think people would be watching me, bro. Okay. I like how the body stopped right there. But still, no signs of bullish order flow. So I have to wait. And we actually, damn, crazy candle. The S&T is gone. We did soup out that low, which is fine. I would have really preferred this happen at 9:45, which is what I was going to look for. It happened 1 minute too early. The reason this would have happened, I liked it at 9:45 is because now, if we got the expansion, see now we have a new 9:45 candle. So I have to trust this being the low if I'm going to go long. But I would rather trust this being the low. So if this formed open low high, this would have been nice. But let's see. This was a discount wick. now it's being used as an inversion premium wick. So I'd have to see it come back and above and reclaim if we're going to get higher pricing. Look at ES, look at NQ. Yeah, this is not ideal. Not ideal. Just gonna have to wait here. I don't want to short this. I don't even think I want to short this. Looks like we might take out that sell side. I mean, the grand scheme of things, we're not really moving much. It looks like we'll take out that 4-hour sell side. It's kind of not ideal, really. I would have preferred us keep that open, but we're probably going to take that 4-hour sell side on NQ as well. I mean, we don't have to. We could also just come really close. In fact, that would be the best thing that can happen. If we can just come really close, I don't think that's going to happen. But if that did happen, I would be very happy. The reason I like that is because it would just be viewed as a failure swing. It'll also be SMT. And it'll also be relative equal lows engineered for later. Okay, we just took out those lows. I'd have to wait for a run all the way back above here for me to go long. This just looks like it's one-sided all day. Nvidia's up $3. AMD's up $1.50. Apple's down $1. I'm honestly sorry, I do need to check the video chart here because I might actually close. Where are we at in the weekly? I kind of wanted to close all-time highs. I'll probably close when NQ hits all-time highs. It's a solid month. We have 10 more days. Yeah, I shouldn't close yet. We're up pretty good, though. I ain't gonna lie. Which is surprising that Nvidia keeps trading higher. Even though, I guess, no, we are trading lower. We've already dropped $1 since open. So your opening range gap for Nvidia. We just traded back into it. Damn, NQ. At this point, if we're going to keep displacing lower, it looks like we will get that previous day low. Which is kind of crazy. We kind of rejected. I mean, we did reject off this level. London high of day. We just engineered perfect equal highs. I guess there was SMT there, but even then, there's no short opportunity here. Like, absolutely not. There is no short opportunity here. Not for me. I don't know if anyone else went short. I guess you could have used the opening range gap here, the inversion. Touch 50, then go, if that's really your style. Not my style. I'll probably clear up the chart here. Just keep a clean chart so I can keep a clear head. Look at this, man. Wow. Wow. It looks like we might touch that daily busy. Maybe. We don't have to. Maybe. Put 4-hour right there. We were so close to all-time highs. I just got a notification that ICT posted in his Telegram. I'm curious if he also got faked out. Because I don't think... Yeah, his focus was longs too. I was going to say, there's no way he would have... Yeah, he was looking for the exact same thing as me, pretty much. Just waiting for a fair value gap to form around this level. It did not form. We did not engage in price. I was going to say, like, there's really no way we just... Not no way, but I would have expected him to see the exact same thing as me. Because this is like textbook stuff. ICT reads price pretty much... I was going to say the exact same way as me. But what I should be saying is I read price pretty much the same way as ICT. Like everything I'll ever say, maybe besides when it comes to opening prices and PO3 fractal, but everything besides that is pretty much from ICT's live lectures, Twitter spaces, all that stuff. I pretty much just, like, it's all stuff that he's commentated on before. Crazy expansion. Where is it going? I'm not interested in shorting this, to be honest. Not interested in shorting. Deep discount. I don't even see a high probability objective. Like, yeah, we'll probably get here, to be honest. And we can look for longs later in the week, which is okay, you know? If I have to sacrifice trading today to get a very high probability trade later on in the week, that is fine. You know, that's a part of trading. That's a part of it, you know? I'm gonna open up the chat here because here's how about TGIF? This is Tuesday. I wouldn't look for that. We're obviously retracing on the daily though, so you can I would just view it at that. Bro, I just had to keep going lower. Day 2, no trade is wild. What do you mean day 2, no trade is wild? P4 hour imbalance. Yeah, we're inside the 4 hour here, but I mean, I don't know. Looks like previous day low, the objective. B-shape recovery soon. Yeah, maybe. B-shape. Bro, just had to keep going lower. I mean, it's still early. It's 9:50. You know, we can always expand higher. You caught 1,500 across 2 accounts because of the OB at all-time highs. Brother, if you saw this as an ICT bearish order block, you are incorrect. This is not an ICT bearish order block, if that's what you're talking about. This is something else, bro. I don't know what this is. Something else. You shorted something else, brother. Just was not an ICT. I'm not saying your short was invalid. I'm just saying it's not an order block. Dad, you live alone? I live with my family, brother. Just mom and dad. Yeah, it can happen next week, 100%. It can, you're right. But I'm just saying I wouldn't call it TGIF. I would just say we're retracing into discount. Usually, if it doesn't happen Friday, it'll happen Monday. It's a 1 hour order block? Yeah. Harito, I don't think I can take any trades here, brother. To be honest. Not for a while. I'm just going to have to wait on a lot of price action to go long here. I'd have to come back above here. But you are right, I should focus. Otherwise, I'm going to blame it on you guys. Every loss is a pain in the ass. You got to learn how to lose, bro. It doesn't have to be a pain. It can just be an improvement. Anyways, let's minimize the chat. So, same thing stands. I don't know what I marked out here. We are... We swept those lows. We're expanding a little bit. The issue is, like I said, we're going to have to short a lot of bearish premium arrays. Sorry, we're going to have to long a lot of premium arrays. Which I really don't like. So the only way I can really trust a reversal here is if we get the change in the state of delivery, which would be right here. So that's literally the only way, you know, and then even then it's going to be a very, not the best entry. So looks like NVIDIA found support at opening range gap. Yo, hear me out, bro. Breakaway gap on NVIDIA from the opening range gap. We're going to take out buy side. Thoughts? Well, I actually wonder if this 1 minute fair value gap would play out on NVIDIA. It actually formed pretty clean. Like, no joke. It literally gave a nice market structure CFTC. Your CFTC is there. We tapped into the order block there. It's actually funny, bro. Damn. Anyways. Stay focused here, bro. I don't want to eat this cheese, bro. I don't want to eat this cheese, but I got to get the calories in somehow. Go drink this water, bro, to get this fucking block of cheese down. I'm choking on cheese. We do have a first presentation now. Closed yesterday. We could get a nice reversal here. I don't want to see us come back above this line and stay above it. This is your opening range gap low. Not interested in taking any of these PD rates. You could. Little too risky for me though. First presentation here is a little bit ambiguous. It could be this small fair value gap. Could also be this one, which is a little bit larger. I like this one. I don't know what ITT would choose. He's also switched. Sometimes he says it doesn't matter. Sometimes he says it doesn't matter. I want to see if he annotated first presentation. Because sometimes he says it doesn't matter. And sometimes he said use the one that's like most clean and obvious. Just something ambiguous that ITT teaches. Regardless, it's all the same. You want to see these be used as support. We did get the 3-minute inversion. Could be a breakaway gap. I am looking for entries here. Maybe 10 a.m. power to offer us something. I couldn't have gotten not that I would have entered, but I have to make sure I never get complacent if I'm going to trade with chat. Like you just got to stay locked in the entire time until you start your business, and once you finish your business, then you can go. I'm just saying going forward, we need to make sure we do that. I'm kind of waiting for 10 a.m. here to give me a low. Hopefully we don't go too high, but I'm waiting for 10 a.m. to give me some sort of low that I can even trust. I trust this low, right? I do trust this low, but I want to see another low. So not really a protraction model. Protraction models form above New York Open, but which we could wait for. Nothing wrong with that. Yo, NVIDIA touched that. Let's see if it holds. That wick. I like this. I actually like the 2-minute here. Okay, it's not 10 a.m. Why they gotta keep forming a 1 minute too early? I would have really preferred this be 10 a.m. But it's 9:59. If this was 10 a.m. and then we got the order block, I would take that right away. No questions asked. But we're a little bit early on the move here. So again, I want to see this be respected at 50%, but looks like it is. I want to see this stay open. And to be honest, you could just long this something like this. Even that's 2.65 bar. But I have to wait. Today is not the day I break a rule. It's not today. Also, ES a little bit lower. I'll wait for the OB or something. It's the 10 a.m. open. My indicator will mark this out for me. Indicator name is right here, if you're curious. We could also get an SMT here and then get the order block. That works. I'm okay with that. What I'm looking for here is a swing low that is likely to hold below 10 a.m. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for a 10 a.m. reversal. If I see those signatures, I'll go long. I'm trading the 10 a.m. power 3 right now, which is in line with 9:30, right? It'll be a reversal for both. So that's nice. But we have to see it. We'll have to see a low get put in. Okay, that's a strong candle. We do have an SMT now. Like this would need to, yeah. Good thing we didn't go long. Good thing we did not go long. Even though we inverted the 3, everything, nah. Not there for me. You gotta get that CFTC or breaker. We have a very significant SMT now. Sorry, a very significant displacement lower. But I'm looking for this SMT now. Thing is about this SMT is, I don't expect, one, I don't expect it to form. 2, even if it does, yeah, never mind. I'll say even if it does form, it doesn't really matter because we just displaced 70 points in down, which is fine. You know, I said I want to see us stay above this level. We didn't, so we didn't go long. I wanted to see this get inversed. I wanted to see a CISD or a breaker, market structure, something telling me it can go higher. Nothing. What am I waiting for now? It would need to immediately, not immediately, but it would need to come above this level. Hopefully within the next couple of minutes, so we don't have to wait here forever. It would need to come back above. So this would be a nice breaker. This would be the new change of state delivery because we just souped out anyone who went long here pretty much had their stops below this level. They just got taken out. So is it a valid long? And we touched the 4-hour fair value gap, so maybe, but you can't just keep zooming out. And I used to do this before so much. You can't just keep zooming out and looking for PD arrays on the left that could potentially give a reversal. But in this case, you know, it actually does kind of align. So just when I say align, I'm talking about the timing and the bias on the higher time frame. Right? Higher time frame is bullish. We probably will see an all-time high eventually soon. It doesn't have to happen today, but we are looking for that all-time high. I'm gonna call this a buy-side imbalance. That's what I like to call it. H4 buy-side imbalance. Oh, fuck it, I can't do that, bro. It feels wrong. It just feels wrong. Damn, we stopped dead in the tracks of the 50% level there. There's actually a volume imbalance there, so it's incorrect. But actually, see how that wick reaches 50%? Yeah, so technically you wouldn't. Whatever, bro. It's all semantics. I have to see a CFTR breaker. You could long an inversion here and basically make the argument that you think it's going to offer, like, you're basically trying to predict the reversal before it's confirmed, which is fine. This would have failed on in the video, by the way. But I don't want to do that today. The reason I don't want to, like, maybe on another day where we did not displace so much lower, but on a day like this where we displace so much lower, I don't want to take an inversion here and just say, oh, I think it can possibly, it's basically a turtle soup entry. I would rather wait for a breaker or a CSD. Just because we're getting closer to passing the account, which is not an excuse, but you should always just wait for a high probability setup. It's mainly because we're so bearish. On other days, I don't mind. I don't mind taking an inversion here, for example, and saying, oh, I believe we're going to form the breaker, and anything I'll add when the breaker forms. But the breaker is obviously the highest probability confirmation of the reversal. So if we are going to go into a buy program, we should obviously see this inversion, fair value gap form, Right now it's sell side imbalance, but if we're going to go into a buy program, I want to see this form as an order block, potentially. This inversion, if it forms now, looks a little bit better as a potential long candidate. Something like this. And did you get 1R right there? Let's see. I have one more bite of cheese, guys. We're gonna force it down. Hey, disgusting. I want to see this inverse. Watching closely here, looking for a potential entry. Stop right there, huh? We did get a closure above 50%. Alright, we're gonna go in long. What just happened? I clicked the button. Did I just get saved? Did I just get saved? Potential better entry here. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait for this to get, what's it called? Like touched. But I'm looking for a long right here. I'm basically trying to predict that CISD. We didn't inverse the 2, but I think we will. So basically this order block, if it forms. If this forms a bullish order block. Is what I'm looking for. I need to be patient here because remember, my true confirmation is the CISD. But if I believe it's going to form, I don't mind taking a discount entry and then just adding positions as we come higher. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. I don't want to see us reinverse this. In fact, if we do, that'd be probably a good confirmation that we're going to go lower. I'll add on this. We never inversed this. Yeah, so actually I wouldn't know what I'm wrong. We never even inversed. We don't even have to use the OB, man. We'll just use the inversions levels. The idea here of this trade is that we're not going to take this low. So I'm just waiting for that confirmation. Not there. Yeah, it's not there. This candle wouldn't have formed if that was going to happen, unless we really wick now. And that's why you have to be very careful by taking your inversions, because your inversion is not really a confirmation that it's going to reverse. It's just one of your early signs. So yeah, if we came all the way above here, we would have got a breaker and it would have been nice. The breaker is your true confirmation that we're shifting structure. Your CISD is your true confirmation that we're shifting delivery. Your inversion is just an inversion, right? If it's going to be bullish, your inversion will hold. But if it's not, then your inversion is going to fail. Why you got to be patient. You got to be patient. We did get an SMT there. An order block here would be nice, because this will then become a balanced price range, and I will go long for my stop right at those. They just happen to be perfect equal lows, huh? That's annoying as hell. Yeah, that's annoying. I was gonna say maybe there's an SMT there, but no, it's just perfect equal lows. Unless NQ, yeah, it's unlucky. Yeah, I prefer this candle close bearish. That way we can get a consecutive order block into this low. Unlucky. Yeah, I don't want to long on the equal lows right there. I would have preferred we take it. Let me get a short-term breaker. Also might be reading into this too much. In the grand scheme of things, we are not going higher. We are just been going lower. We're at a pivotal point and pivotal time, right? Because if this is your 10 a.m. low, this is your 10 a.m. low, right? We're only going to go higher from here if we're bullish. That's why I say it's pivotal. Pivotal. Yeah, of course we are getting that. Of course we're getting those equal lows, huh? We're getting the OB. Five-minute CISD is almost there. 5 minutes pretty clean, actually. Just a nice soup. This is a bearish order block. So if we come all the way up here, man, there's a good chance we go higher. And validating that bearish order block. We got the inversion. I'm gonna wait one more minute. See how this candle, if it forms a fair value gap or not. We are about to touch the order block. ES did touch its inversion fair value gap. Oh, actually, it fell short one tick. This candle not just expand a little bit higher, man. It's not a plus, but you got to make decisions without fear when you're trading, you know? You really do. Fearless decision making. Remember, I don't use limit orders anymore, guys. So you won't see me place any limits. Oh, it looks like it's being glitched down. Did you guys see how that formed? It literally looks like it was like glitched. I don't like how we came a closure below 50% there. We did respect the old inversion, but you know, I'm happy we were able to stay patient here. To be honest, I'm very happy we were able to stay patient here. Let's say if we take those equal lows now. This is kind of our last straw, like to be honest. This is kind of really our last straw. Like, this was a BPR. The fact that we're coming back down here is very bad. I'm glad we stayed patient. I really am. All right, there's those equal lows that we were worried about. I don't want to read too much into this 1 minute market structure, but new 50-minute candle open. We opened, took the high and down. So unless we come back above this high right now, it's starting to look like a dead. We just formed a bearish break or a bearish order block. That's why I'm saying that. If anything, this is a short candidate, you know. Like I said, I'm not really interested in shorts. How's Euro doing? Oh wow, it actually gave a nice entry and did everything that you would have expected it to. Probably gonna take out the high of day. Nice, yeah. At least we called that out nicely. Inactivity detected in your live stream? Complete the puzzle? Fuck your puzzle, bro. Two types of people don't use limit orders: people with FOMO and people that know what they're doing. I'm so scared of getting in, bro. I have to get in, bro. Just you're right. No, you're right. I agree. I don't like the limit orders, to be honest. I really don't. I honestly think, personal preference, maybe I'm wrong, but I think everyone would perform better without limit orders. If you listen, just enter it as it's coming into your level, if anything. But when you have like a market order, you have to pay attention to every single candle because you have to click it, right? Could be a short scalp right here. This is your protraction model. If you're bearish. If you're bearish. There's a 50-minute bearish there. Yeah, if you're bearish, this is your protraction model, really. I mean, it's a deep discount, but you can probably easily get 2 risk reward. Take the longs are completely dead. I will not be looking. I don't think I can look for any longs. Now the timing's off. It may happen in lunch or PM or late into this session, but I think that might be it. That might be it for me. This is the order block that I think will deliver the low right there. This is the order block that I think will deliver the low. We'll see. Now we came back up into this original order block. Limit orders are useless. Just risk a couple ticks or point for missing a whole trade. Yeah, because sometimes your limit's not gonna get hit, and you're just gonna sit there and be like, "I hope it fills me in." You hope, but you hope. Just click. You know, like if your criteria is met, bro, click. Why you gotta wait for a limit order? Why you got to wait for a limit order? I want to short today, but no entry. Yeah. Limits on FEGs are good, but inverse have to be market. In my opinion, unless you can consistently predict a breakaway gap, I don't think limit orders on FEGs are good. But that's just me, bro. That is just me. All I'm gonna say is I've missed way too many A+ entries because I left my limit order at a level and it left. Go get some motion instead of hitting. I'm just getting my bag and doing shit. You just be being mad. Yeah, good luck. You guys figure that out. You want to short today, but no entry. Yeah, did not really give the best. I mean, this is a good entry right here. This is probably your best entry in my opinion. Thoughts on you? Bullish, bro. Yeah, I've been bullish since the beginning. Yeah, I just something I missed. Something I saw in my journal, Kevin. Just literally missed too many entries that were like A+, just because I waited for a limit order. It's like you're waiting for it to touch your fair value gap, but then it'll touch like the order block or something, and then just dump or go up. As soon as it touches like the tie or it touches like a wick, like just get in. You know, sometimes you just gotta get in. And the thing about the limit order is it keeps you. Like it's easy to just put a limit order and then just wait. Dude in the comments are hitting so hard. Oh, on me? Good thing I had chat off, bro. Wait, who are they hitting on me or? Oh, they're hitting on each other? Bro, there's like a whole there's like a war going on in my TikTok chat. People talking to each other. You blew my account on accident. That's not good, bro. Can you explain the order block marked out? I didn't mark out any order block. I marked out this old fair value that's being run through. Nah, I literally feel you, Koala. It doesn't make sense. I don't know. People are beefing like crazy. I don't know if I can look for longs, but we'll watch this. I think this goes lower. Goes lower. I'm not gonna take shorts, but I think it will go lower. USD is teasing your TP. Oh, is it that 30 minute or that high right there? It'll get there, I think. Maybe, hopefully. I don't know. It might sweep previous day low in reverse. Bro. I mean, yeah, maybe. Maybe. That's a long way when the candles are like this small. I think that's the draw as well. I mean, I drew that out, but I don't see how we can take a long short here. Probably this 30-minute bearish fair value gap will give a nice short, maybe. It looks like we're consolidating for that. Yo, why you guys gonna literally sit there and just, you suck, bro. I work so much harder than you. Like, bro, what you guys doing, bro? Grown ass man, bro. Boom, 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 boom. Longs will not fit any of my criterias, so I won't be longing. What model would I be trading? A 930 reversal, a 10 a.m. reversal? Do I think the 10 a.m. candle is going to close bullish? No. Do I think 9:30 is going to close bullish? No. So what am I longing for? Can it move higher? Yeah. But it doesn't meet any criteria. Where do I actually think it's going to go? I don't think 10 a.m. is going to be bullish. I think we can trade into this 30-minute bearish, maybe. Doesn't mean I'm going to go long. No, I didn't take any trades. What I wanted to see did not form. Hey, what's up, man? Good to see you live trading at the top position. I'm bullish by the week. I was bullish, but yeah, just did not form. Yeah, and like I said, I wouldn't take this short, but if I had to, I would short it there. So I wouldn't look for any longs. Maybe PM. How can I start learning how to trade? Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. Probably find someone to guide you, mentor you, just so you can avoid making mistakes. And yeah, that's it. What are your next sell side targets? The daily level, previous day low. The amount of estrogen in this chat. At Jerry T. Yep, T-Trades is good at making the basics. I am making a series on the basics, actually. I think it's going to be really good. Should I leak one of my PDFs? Do you guys want me to leak one of my PDFs? I already recorded the video. I'm just waiting on my editor. He's kind of been busy. He's grinding. It's like I'm going to make a beginner series. And then it'll eventually transition into an intermediate and an advanced series. But my YouTube channel will be the go-to place. So you see, that short would have delivered. Yeah, I'm not looking for longs anymore. You know? And that's the thing. I'm going to be bullish tomorrow. Well, depending if we touch the daily busy or not. But the idea is I'm going to be looking for longs until we take all-time highs, pretty much. Doesn't mean I can't look for shorts intraday. But the idea is the draw on the higher time frame, weekly, monthly, is all-time highs. So doesn't mean every day is going to be green. Right? We're going to have days like this and whatever. But eventually we're going to get there. So I want to be focused on that. Yeah, short-term, long-term, I guess you can say. I didn't take any trades today. No. No trades. 0 P&L. And 0 P&L on this top step accounts. So maybe lunch, maybe PM session. Bullish SMT. Brother, this is probably not going to reverse. Well, like people will say bullish SMT, but then ignore the fact that we dropped the entire day, only going down, getting 0 breakers or 0 change in the state of delivery, disrespected every single discount array. Fuck the bullish SMT. You know how many bullish SMTs have formed in this move down? Probably like 7, bro. 1 minute share with me. Will we look for an A+ setup, please? My A+ setup? My A+ setup would have been this. That's like the only thing that would have formed today. If we got a change in the state below midnight open. If we got a change in the state below midnight open. He copies TJR. Wait, hold up. Me. Copy TJR. That's hilarious, bro. That's hilarious. Anyways, this would be my A+ setup. And if it was for shorts, then I would have looked for this. And then an inversion. All my A+ models are in my YouTube channel, though, if you want to know. They're literally all there. Textbook, same stuff I've used every day on Livestream. TJR kind of goofy and doesn't have good card taste. I mean, he's definitely goofy, I'll tell you that. He's definitely goofy. This live stream wasn't bad. I feel like I wasn't really persuaded. Chooch, what's your Insta? Nope, did not take any trades today. Glad I didn't. Glad I didn't. I would have lost. If I took a trade today, if I pushed the button, I would have taken a loss. And that's it. I'm probably gonna walk away. I'm maybe reversal now. Honestly, not even interested. It's a goofy that you copy his trades. Bro, I have never watched a TGR live stream or anything. What would make you think I copy his trades? I'm literally live streaming. How does that even make sense? How do you control yourself? Learn us. Teach us is what you're looking for. How do I control myself? You need to know what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're gonna make bad decisions. TGR didn't take any trades either. Alright, bro. Maybe he's copying me, bro. TGR be scamming his viewers. I don't know. All I know is I saw this one TikTok. This is why I don't like him, bro. I'm not saying sorry. I don't know. He's a really cool guy. I actually do like him. But this is why I don't like approve of the way he trades. Because I watched a TikTok of him. I watched a TikTok. And he was like screaming at the computer screen. Like what? Why are you screaming? Relax, you know? Views. Yeah, you're right. It could just be a content thing. But I just feel like he's more content creator than he's way more content creator than mentor, you know? Like that's the thing. I'm good, Yoshi. I'm good. Yeah, Toffee, I won't be taking anything in this morning session. He does that because it excites you? Excites who? Me? Bro. Are you like his boyfriend, bro? What? Who is this guy, bro? That's some weird shit, bro. You are glazing so hard, bro. It's crazy. You're glazing so hard. Zip it up, brother. When does PM session start? PM session starts at 1:30. Yo, Gatie, what's good? What's good, Trevor? PM session starts at 1:30. But I'm gonna probably go to the gym and I'm gonna go on a run, try to build my cardio, because my cardio is not that good. I feel like if I do more cardio, I'll get hungrier and I can eat more. So yeah. I feel like it's really good discipline to just accept that you did not take a trade and you just come back tomorrow, you know? In fact, you have a perfect trade for a mentor, no glaze. Appreciate you, Rito. I agree, to be honest. Brother, are you his boyfriend? I mean, he's just like watching, like, it's like he's like never missed an episode type of guy, bro. What is your height and weight, if you don't mind? Because I'm trying to gain too. I'm 5'11". Bro, honestly, message me, bro. Message me. Message me. I'll talk. I'll tell you. Bo said, are you catching your trades? No. I was looking for longs. Model did not form. How to strengthen your psychology. Brother, I got you. I have the answer for you. The question is, are you going to actually do it? Join my free Discord. The Discord is free. Just round up to 6 feet. That's what I'm saying, huh? Round to 6 feet. Go to my free Discord, ICMMD, so how to strengthen your psychology. Go to the ebook section. It's free as well. Come down to the last book. It says Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone. Also free. You're going to click it, open it, and you're going to read it. It's 143 pages. And it's right there for you. And it is the best book on trading psychology. Every single person, if you are watching this live stream, I promise you from the bottom of my heart, this book will improve your outlook, period. My evac gets rebuilt in 10 days. You recognize to be more aggressive or try to get this back. Be more aggressive, bro, 100%. TGR promotes the same books. He even reads them to you on you. Okay. That's just funny at that point. Well, this Discord link is not valid. The thing is with TikTok is it doesn't let you go straight from Discord from TikTok. But if you copy paste the link is fine. For example, if you use the exact same link on my Instagram or YouTube, it'll work. So that's it, you know? The link's fine. But I can try to update the link. Yeah, it's a no trade. The link was not working. I don't know why. I think, brother, you have to copy paste it into the browser. It's just TikTok doesn't let you go straight from Discord to, and you know what? I'll change the link, but it's not really the link. It's not the link. Are you 155 centimeters? No. I'm like 179, 182, something like that. 175, 180, something like that. Centimeters. I'll change the link right now. But like I said, it's not the link. You have to copy paste it into your browser. It's just annoying, bro. You TJ don't act pro. You define yourself, but I can't take it seriously. You ever just feel it? You ever lose a trade and feel proud you didn't follow up or react? 100%, bro. That's a win. It's all about improvement at the end of the day. If you've been a person who, like, you know, losses, it's all about improving your skill, you know? That's what a lot of people don't realize. It's all about improving your skill. If you can improve, if that's something you struggle with, bro, 5.1? No, man. 5.11. This guy said 5.1? Bro, 5.1? 5.1 like this, bro? Come on, bro. Not 5.1, bro. That's improvement, Ryan. It's all about improving your skills. That's all it is. That's literally all it is. This is a skill that you are trying to perfect to the best of your ability. So any sort of improvement is improvement. I did not take any trades today, no. I'm going to update the link. Damn, 11,000 clicks from this link. So sad. What? Oh, what? Why does it say... Oh, I gotta... Is that why it hasn't been working? I gotta do it like this? Bro, it just says... Because I'm streamer mode. Okay, this link will never expire. There, I have updated the link. He ignored it. What did I ignore? I am in. Link is good. Oh, link's good? Yeah, it's fine, bro. That should be fine. I didn't mean to ignore anyone's chat. If you asked the question I missed it, just ask it again. It's just I have so many. Like I'm on both streams here. We have 2 streams open YouTube. The largest payout I've ever taken was $2,000 US. Was looking for longs on my eval pre-open. I'm glad I didn't enter. Me too, bro. I ever thought about scalping? Yes, I have thought about scalping. It's usually led to me blowing my account. Every time I scalp, I pretty much keep doing it until I win. You know? I can't I think scalping's too hard. Long enough from CISD. I do think it could potentially go higher if we get the CISD, but I'm not interested in any retracement trades. Is it good to get multiple accounts? Yep, I think you should. I think you should get multiple accounts. Lunch reversal. Yeah, your lunch reversal can start in the 10:50 macro, like going into lunch hour, 11:30 starts lunch. So, okay, I am hoping that the Discord link should work now. I see the setup, guys, but I'm really not interested in taking longs. We shouldn't have traded this deep. I think the draw is the daily. Yeah, I think the link should work. I'm up 1K to make 5K to pass in 10 days. Any advice on risk per trade? Is it futures? You up one? Oh, so it's a 100K futures account. You have 10 days. Every day this week. 19. You have 10 days. You have 10 days as well. You know what's funny? I also have 10 days. I actually also have 10 days. The 28th is your rebill. There's a time limit. No, there's no time limit. There's no time limit, but You have to pay the monthly fee on a futures account, not a forex account. If you have forex, you're good. You have to make 5K. I mean, to me, like 5 2-hour trades, or if you get like 1, 2, 3 hour, like couple 3 hours, I'd risk 500 and try to aim for at least 2 hour. That's 5 wins. That's new community. Appreciate you, Ryan. I just took a short 50-minute FG, but then we kind of hard to me. Did you just close or you just entered? I mean, yeah, this could act as a bearish order block. That's what I would do. I'd risk 500 per trade this week, and if you don't pass, I would risk 1,000 next week. Or if just be very patient, risk 1,000, aim for like 2.5R. Actually, the best way to do it, I used to be 750. 750, risk 750. Just aim for 2R flat, unless you take the trades a runner, then get like a 3R. And then you'll pass in like anywhere from 2 to 4 trades. GBP USD sells? No. No, I'm bullish. I think Euro is bullish. I think it's bullish. How much should I risk on a 50K? Depends, brother. It really depends. We'd have to have a whole conversation. What are you comfortable losing? Have you ever gotten a payout before? Is it an eval or is it a funded? What's the goal? Are you trying to make money as quickly as possible, or are you trying to be safe and secure a payout? I'm going wrong. It's a better entry. Never enters. Me? That'll be informed. The rebuild just rebuilds every set. No, just rebuilds. Yeah, the account will be exactly where it is. Imagine people that's actually trying to signal bot. I mean, if you watch the entire stream looking for a signal, then you're weird. I've 1, 2, 3. I have 4 accounts right now. 250Ks, 350Ks, and a 25K with Forex that I trade as well with Nasdaq 100, NAS 100. Yeah, your account will not reset. It'll just rebuild. It'll stay exactly where it is, just as if nothing happened. Bearish S&P 5 waiting for bigger structure. Yeah, as long as you know what you're looking for, that's the most important thing. Most important thing. Well, we'll be live every day this week, and honestly, if I'm being honest, I actually kind of liked this live when the chat was off. I feel like people were. Nope, I didn't take any trades at DTM. No trades today. I'll actually post that in the Discord. We'll be live again tomorrow. We'll see if the model forms. Alright, you're just gonna get banned, bro. I don't know how to ban people on YouTube. What platform do you use? I use TopStep, MyFund Futures. How often do you trade in a week? I mean, how often? Like last week we took 6 trades. How often do I trade? Every day. I trade every day, except if my specific days I don't trade. But this week I'll be trading every day. Tomorrow's FOMC minutes, so AM session might suck. PM might be better. Up there. We'll both know our fate. Yeah, for sure, bro. I'm definitely gonna look to up the risk as well. I plan on. I'm a little bit closer, so I'm not too. I don't have to up it too much more aggressive. But realistically, Ryan, I don't know how much money you have, Ryan, and if you don't have that much, then obviously you don't want to send it. But realistically, you just kind of want to be more aggressive from the start because you don't want to have to go. Like, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the evals I passed, I pretty much went like this and just slowly got there, and then I just kind of sent it at the end and then passed. I might as well just send it at the beginning then, at that point. Why did I waste 2 weeks, you know? If you don't have the money, then okay, just be diligent till you pass. But if you can afford like a couple, like I would just give a certain budget for yourself every month for evals, you know? 4 evals, let's say, or 2 evals. So it's just better to be more aggressive, in my opinion. Can I start with $200? Yes, but if you lose that $200, you're probably screwed. But yes, $200 is literally the exact amount you would probably need to start getting payouts. Show the trade you took last time or yesterday. Brother, the last time I took a trade, I did an entire live stream just for the trade. I took 3 trades that day, 2 wins and 1 break even. It was obviously yesterday. Yesterday was a no trade day. It was a bank holiday, early close. Stock market was closed. If the stock market's closed, I'm not looking to trade. But one of my students took along on the setup we took. We took this breaker. We could talk about that setup. The inversion of first presentation here. And they played this. Partialed here. And then I told him to leave a runner. Anyways, not that important. I'll show you the last time I traded. Finally hit my USD TP. Nice. Last time I traded was Friday. And we took 2 wins on Friday, the 14th. Friday the 14th. I went long here. Like I went long here. I took a partial. I went long here, took a partial. My final TP was like right here. It never got hit. It was like right here. And then I went long again, trying to get my final TP, but then I got stop break even. So that was 2 wins and a break even. How do you trade them on all-time highs? Look for continuation longs. I did not take any trades today. For everyone asking. Oh man, it's just so annoying. I was really better to buy QT. Yep, I agree. The activation fee will kind of bum you, but it's worth it. Take care, Manny. You appreciate it. I'm gonna be live tomorrow, brother. I'll see you. Anyways, I'm gonna close the charts here now, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. I'm probably not gonna trade PM session unless I'm free. Your sound, bro, it repeats. Do you have both my streams open or something? I'm gonna go for a break at gym tomorrow. Catch you. Take care, brother. See you tomorrow, brother. No trades today. No trades today, guys. Anyways, I appreciate everyone coming through. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go make some more food so I can get more calories in. Then I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm not gonna take any trades today. Probably, maybe I'll trade PM session. I would probably look for shorts towards the daily city if I had to. I think that's the current draw. I would be very surprised if we do not touch this level, at least on the S&P. I think both assets will reach this level. So that is my draw for now, short term. But again, higher time frame, we are looking for a new all-time highs. I think it fits the narrative with Trump coming in, and it's February. Usually you see higher prices. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Exact same format. We'll talk from like 9:15 to 9:25. So if you have questions, bring them then, and we'll keep the chat minimized pretty much the entire stream until we take a trade. Take care, Trevor. Peace. I live in Canada, brother. Appreciate you, Bart. Yep, I like the format too. Honestly, felt pretty good today. If I'm live commentating and annotating and saying like things every single minute, it's kind of hard to get distracted, you know? If I said, okay, I want to see this order block form, I want to see this bullish, and then, you know, nope, I didn't pass the account yet. Oh, bro, take care. Take care, brother. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate everyone coming through. Gatie is signing out. Also, I'm making a very good series. It's going to be good. I'm just waiting on my editor. Good shit, Harito. Break even is good. Surviving is good. Survival is always good. Peace.